THQ 24-hour transformation. So Dan at Simply Surf Plus got in touch with us. He's just bought a brand new T7 Combi, which he loves the drive, loves the vehicle, but it just looks pretty basic. So Dan said, could he bring it to us? Could we do some THQ style tweaks for it, ready for this to be on the Solow suspension stand at Campermart next weekend. So based on that information, the first thing we're going to put on it is a set of the new Solow coilovers. So the first edition, they're the Solow coilovers that we've built with H&R. So they're going to go on. We're going to add some wheels, we're going to add some styling. So I'll head you over to Mitch. He's going to crack on with this and transform this from standard looking T7 into something that little bit more special.
Oh, that can be named a tiger's waiting to be tamed, singing you.
Right, so as Andy said, we've got a few bits to get on this van. 24-hour transformation, van's in, let's get on the ramp and get cracking. We've got the first edition Solow T7 Transit Custom Coilover kit. This is a 30 to 65mm drop, and it will obviously improve comfort as well.
Confusion never stops, closing walls and ticking clocks. Gonna come back and take you home. I could not stop, but you now know, singing come out upon my seas, curse missed opportunities. Am I a part of the cure, or am I part of the disease, singing?
So we are now done, other than wheels on. So we've got this lovely new Solow suspension. It'd be rude not to pair it with some lovely Navis Taurus alloys. So these are going to go on now.
Right then, so that is the suspension and the wheels fitted. They made a huge difference. So now we're going to go on to the exterior styling, and we're going to start with the front and rear splitters. So let's get on with that.
Let's go! So we've got the splitters on, we've got the Canards on, we've got our side repeaters on. Front end is looking way better. So we move on to the sidebars now. There is a video on these already available, so check that one out for a full in-depth installation video. So we're going to get into it. So now we're onto the sidebars, we're going to fit them onto the van. I've got some PPF here, which is an optional extra we do. Because they're obviously right next to the wheel, all these stones and gravel and debris is going to get flicked up and maybe chip the powder coat. So we do a PPF kit to go on the corners, just so try and protect them as much as we can. And to finish things off, we've got some premium rubber floor mats. Now this van is an auto, so we do need to trim this section off here. You'll notice just put a blade in, cut it off, and then it'll fit nicely. If you have a manual, leave that on. So we'll drop these in now.
Mikey's last minute idea?
Bulbs.
So that's another 24-hour transformation complete on the Simply Surf Bus long wheelbase T7. So we've just got back from Campermart. We were there over the weekend, and this got a really good reception from people. I think people are starting to fall in love with them. They're starting to enjoy the look at them, but especially when you start to modify it in some way, they seem to be a lot more attractive. So I'll spin you through what we've done on this van. So let's start with the most obvious thing you can see is the wheels. So this has the new Navis Taurus 20-inch wheels. So these are T7 and Transit Custom specific, fully low rated, and Dan went for the bronze option with these wheels. The other thing that's quite noticeable is that we've lowered this van. So this van has had the Solow H&R first edition coilovers put on it to lower it, massively improving ride comfort and handling, and also making it lower. There's two versions of this kit. There's one for a heavy van and there's one for a lighter van. So the heavy van's more for caravel, shuttle type vehicles and camper vans, and then there's the lighter one which is more your panel van and your combi. So this has got the lighter version kit on it, massively improves the ride. It feels so much nicer, feels so much more planted and a much more comfortable ride, and it's not got that massive arch gap that comes on the standard suspension. Moving around the front, we've added the THQ specific canards, so these are our own product we've developed. You'll see these on quite a lot of vans now because we're supplying them to a lot of the trade market. So there's the canards, they come in matte and gloss black, and then we've got the gloss black lower splitter on the front just to give it that slightly more aggressive look at the front. Moving around the side, you can see we've added the long wheelbase trapezoid sidebars to this vehicle. They come in a few different colour options. This has got the matte version on it, and we've also added the THQ Wind Deflectors here. Again, both of those work on the Transit Custom as well as on the T7. Then round to the rear, we've added the gloss black lower splitter to the bumper just to give it that bit more depth to it. We didn't actually put a spoiler on that. We were unsure on what to do. So I think that's something we are going to add to this. So the vehicle, as you see it here, this is going to be going off to a VW dealership, and this is going to be a package that they're going to be offering at VW in some dealerships, so you can drive out with the vehicle with all these kit on it. But that's something we'll talk about more in a future video. We're going to be offering this as a package as well on our website, so you can just go and click the bits you want and you can get it as a full package to put straight onto your C7. So other than that, the one other thing we did was inside, and we've added the new THQ rubber mats to the cab area. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. It just shows how simple it can be to make these look much nicer vehicle, make them very much more unique and to suit you. Lots of different things you can change, whether you want to go for the gloss or the matte package, colour changes, various different suspension options now available on the THQ website, and plenty more products for these vehicles come in. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do hit that like button, it means a lot. Let us know in the comments what you think to the transformation on this van, and as always, thanks for watching.